Yo, we got Ren and Stimpy. Let's see, the
Snake Eyes there alone.
How much are the Disney films? Are
This
they
one
NECA?
is a NECA.
That one's NECA?
Somebody definitely got me, man.
Hey, some scumbag stole his heart. How you doing, man?
Day in paradise.
Living the dream, right?
Somebody else's nightmare.
Yeah, there you go. I like that one. Yo, these are my bobbleheads.
I know.
Is this your stuff here, or?
No, that's
there's...
I got a hat there.
Oh, gotcha. What's up, buddy?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, gotta ask you, those bobbleheads in the very end.
Oh, Pops.
Pops?
Yeah, Pops.
Where do you get them from? They're.
I had no idea.
I made those.
No.
That's my design for Forever Collectibles. I blew up my inventory. I made those back in 2010. There's only 144 of those. I produced those. So crazy thing is, look, check this out. So I used to have a contract for Forever Collectibles. I made these. These are my design.
Really?
These are made. I had these produced. I had 144 of these produced.
I was wondering why they sucked.
Yeah. And this one too. I had this one produced.
That's cool, man.
Matt Cain, Tim Lithicum,
And they're holding the
Dominic
shirts.
Brown.
That was your idea?
Yeah, draft day when they were
What do you
drafted.
think? They're probably worthless then, right?
No, I mean, I had them produced 10 years ago, so 15 years ago.
Why don't you buy them? Like,
No,
you don't own them?
I was like, where'd you get them from? I literally saw them at the local auction house.
Yeah, there you go.
He's like, man, these a-holes come here, buy my stuff, and then make money online.
Oh, hell no.
Nah, I know.
I love that you guys can come out here and shop
Hey,
with me.
it goes both ways, man, you know?
Heck yeah.
So,
I love your demeanor because you're always like, hey, you know what? No big deal. We can't make a deal.
yeah. Listen, man, like I always tell you, certain things you pay up for, you don't have wiggle room. Certain things you do have wiggle room on, but we always make it a deal one way or another. Those in the past. Depends on the model.
I would rare cameras. If you think you could use them, I would do 100 for both of them. It comes with extra chargers, batteries.
How much you got in your VHS?
Oh, he found the VHS. He found the VHS.
These are just cool.
I know, whatever you think you like, man. I'll give you a good deal. Let's get you a bundle together, man. Even if it's old VHS. Brother. A couple more here. Back to the Future, Superman.
Yeah, the horror ones are worth more, yeah.
Yeah, horror ones are definitely good.
Well, that's why I collect all DVD, all horror.
Oh, do you really? This Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
I have it on GameCube at home.
Let me see.
Not Animal Crossing. Harvest Moon, yeah, that's what it is.
Crushing Groove. Dragon Slayer. Superman.
I thought some of the newer ones you'd be.
Oh, Jesus. Come on, man. What are you doing?
I'm ringing a bell.
Come on, Papa Punchin'. Scare the shit out of me.
He told me, yeah, it's an early one. He said about 150, maybe take 125. But if you're interested, I'll do you a good deal on it. Yeah, he said it was.
Yo, we got Ren and Stimpy. Ultimate Stuntman. Do I have this one? I think I have that one. Speaking about bringing me joy, I found an NES game I don't have.
Really? Which one?
Buckaroos from Ren and Stimpy.
There you go.
I need this one for my PC.
And the PC version's hard to find.
No, PC, I mean my personal collection.
Yeah, I know, but it's a PC game of it.
Oh, a PC game of it?
Yeah.
I don't know if I will though.
It's 136 of them.
Final Fight, I absolutely love that game.
That was good. I got
One
my
of my
time.
favorites.
Punch Out.
One of my favorites of all time. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Just don't trying not to buy big things right now. I'm trying to downsize. But these I need. I found some games I don't have, so I collect NES games.
Okay.
So this stack here and this stack here. Let me know what you have on it all. Oh crap, what's this? You just laying over here?
Yeah, it's just broke either.
Oh, it's broke?
Yeah. Yeah, that. When I found this, I was kind of like Matthew McConaughey.
Yeah,
Michelle,
yeah,
like, what the heck? I didn't even know they had
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
That's a good one. Yeah, I found that Crusher. That's crazy that you got the same taste I do.
Yeah, man. I have a VHS collection at the house. I have a horror DVD collection.
I could do 50.
50? What do you want for that?
I throw that in. You got to get the screen fixed. Let's do even 70.
I'll do 10 on that. I'll do 60.
All right.
Yeah. I am so pumped. I wanted this Buckaroos Ren and Stimpy game forever.
Yeah.
See, my thing is I don't buy them. I try not to buy them online at all.
Yeah.
So I want to find them in the wild. So
that's cool.
yes.
Yeah.
What's the backstory on these?
Heartland, man. They're pretty minty.
I would say they look really good condition. Are they repos?
No, those are real deal, man.
From the 60s?
Huh?
The 60s?
Yeah, 60s.
Because I used to have the Heartland. They came out they have a whole baseball series with like Mano and all those stuff. Yeah. What do you have on them?
Man. Between me and you, man, I paid up for these.
Yeah.
But if you're really serious,
Do you mind if
about
I reach over and grab one?
No,
I just want to see. Yeah.
take a look at them. I would do for this whole set right here. I was wanting 300, but I would do for you. I would do 275 if you think you can move them.
Yeah.
I know some of these on the horse and guys alone will go for about 50 bucks.
Yeah.
50 bucks a piece.
No, I've had other Heartland stuff before. So when I saw them, I was like, that's what I thought they were Heartlands.
So you would
but I was like, man, these are in really good condition though.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you look up a lot of them, you won't find them in this condition
I know.
here.
What'd you end up buying? You buy a little motorcycle? Yeah. You love your damn motorcycles. Oh, nice. Was it? Let's see.
The snake eyes there alone with the weapons, 80 bucks. It sold online the other day.
Yeah.
It's 1982. That's the original snake eyes.
It's a straight arm. So, the backs too.
Yeah.
So one thing you want to look out for. So see these right here? Mm-hmm. They bend in, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So what you want? These are the original ones are straight arm. They don't bend in.
Okay.
That's how you can tell right away if it's the first releases. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Well, that one actually might go for a little more than.
That's 82. Yeah, that's original release ones. But yeah, you can always just tell they bend in. And then there's a website. There's a website that shows you every single action figure. It shows you the picture and it shows you what accessories go with them. So it's a good way to match them up so you can pair them together. I bought a massive collection of G.I. Joes. So I paid for my education on one. And that's how I went through and stuff. But that's cool. What did you pay for all of them?
I got this, and some vintage Transformers for 130.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
I went there one time.
Custom ass trout deer.
Yeah.
How much are the Disney films?
20 each. This one's 32. This one's 36, 1936, and this one's also 1936. But Betty Boop's not on that film. It's an actual Popeye film.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Oh.
Those are cool.
Yeah. We made those.
Yep.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, Godzilla's.
I'd rather go see the Sonic the Hedgehog 3 movie when it comes out. That's more on my alley.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for the trailer for that to come out.
I know, right?
Rock of Sock'em.
Very
King Kong versus B-Rex. Man, love your collection of stuff, man.
Thank you. You can put it in your own collection.
I could.
If you see anything you like, let me know. We'll knock it down, get the heck away from me.
I got you, man.
Hopefully going out of business soon.
Are you packing it up?
Well, this is probably the last show we're going to do for a while until next season.
That was Is this Hogan? I've never seen that before.
Never seen it either.
That's wild. Road Wild. Oh, it's all wet. So if the old in the late '90s, this is '99. WCW sold to WWE in 2001. So if you find stuff in like the 2000s, like even VHS, like they're all limited print, they're all bringing really good money.
Yeah, it's got 50 on it. We probably take 25, knock it in half.
Yeah. Did you 20 for it?
I'll do 20 for it. Thanks.
That's cool, man. It's. I can't say no to that, man.
Alrighty.
That's
it.
Yep. Thank you.
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Good. How you feeling?
Doing good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, man. Probably a bunch of loose ones.
Oh, I got loose figures in there?
Putting $5 a piece. If you buy a bunch of them, I come out for like $3 a piece.
Let me see what you got in here.
Good.
This is Hasbro, Jake the Snake. Oh, the face is painted. Scott Steiner, Big Papa Pump, Toy Biz 99. Oh man, they're like Ghostbusters. That's cool. Oh, the E.T.
All the Funko Pops are buy two, get one free.
Even the big ones?
Yep.
Buy two, get one free. Oh, Michael Myers, this is cool. Vampire Jack.
Yeah, any ones that don't have a price on it is gonna be $5.
Okay.
And then same thing, buy two, get one free. If you buy a bunch of them, we can make a good deal.
And then these are all 500.
Sergeant Slaughter G.I. Joe.
Oh yeah, that's right. You changed your shirt, dude.
No, I took my jacket off.
Oh yeah,
It's
okay.
getting a little warm.
Well, good thing you said something because I definitely didn't recognize you, man. Yeah, so we got that.
You got 20 and 5. Would you do 20 for the pair?
Yes, sir. Cool. And then you get one for free.
No, I think you said
Buy two, get one free.
Oh, okay.
Since you know.
So it'd be another what, $5 one?
I mean, you could pick one. I mean, technically it was 20, but
Yeah, but you gave me.
yeah, I gave you a deal. So I'm a fair guy though.
Well, which ones here don't or would fall under that?
So
Do you have anything Disney that you want to get rid of for?
if you see one that's Disney, take it, man.
I mean, there's Jack, there's Evil Queen, there's.
Let's see how much.
Oh, there's Rocky Balboa.
Take
That's
Rocky.
probably.
How much is
So
it?
you have 20 on that one. Yeah. See you, buddy. I'm trying to think what else. Here's 20. Let's see here. I'll just point the ones and you tell me which one you'd be willing to take. I'll be willing to do like
25, right?
no, I said would you do 20 for the pair?
Okay, yeah.
Shredder or there, Casey, Leatherface. I don't really matter to be honest with you. Smith.
Which one did you say? Casey?
Shredder. There's Casey Jones. All right, cool. Cool, man.
All right, man.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, man.
My hard drive today, dude.
Someone took your hard drive?
Yeah, man.
Are you serious?
Yeah, man. I forgot how you open it.
Yeah, it should be a button to push on the side here. It might be on the other side. Is it on the other side? Right here. You
Yeah.
should be able to pull that down.
Yeah, this is my personal Xbox.
Someone took your hard drive.
Yeah, dude.
That's
So-
ridiculous,
so-
man.
So, okay, would it work without the hard drive?
Yeah, work without the hard drive. You just can't save anything or do anything on it.
Yeah, somebody took
But those hard drives sell online because what happens is
Yeah, I
a
know.
lot of times people want to upgrade their system. How big was your hard drive? Do you know?
I don't know, man.
So
It was my wife's.
So
It
if
was
you,
her Xbox.
so if you look at the model number, if you search that model number online, it should tell you what size the hard
Yeah,
drive.
man.
Unless she upgraded the hard drive, but I mean those hard drives sometimes could sell.
Somebody definitely got me, man.
Hey, some scumbag stole his hard drive from the
I
Xbox.
heard Nick was telling me.
Yeah.
Weren't you telling me you were such a big Blossom fan?
Big Blossom fan.
Whoa.
They've never been open.
Yeah. What do you have in these big guys here?
Those are cool. That's a dad question.
Okay.
For the pair of them, I do 115.
115.
Yeah.
I've had similar ones. Are these the NECA ones or not NECA?
I think these
No,
are the
Torio.
NECA.
Are they
This one
NECAs?
is a NECA.
That one's NECA?
And that one's probably a NECA too. Should say on the top. Yep, NECA.
Yeah. He said 115 for the pair.
Yeah.
What would you do just for the one of them? I think I just want the one, man.
This one?
Yeah, because that one's been out of the package and
Let's see. So 115 for the pair. Even split would be 55. So how about 50 for it?
$50, huh? I am a big fan of NECA figures, and this Captain Jack Sparrow was awesome. It was 18 inches tall, but at $50, it just wasn't enough room to make a profit on it, so I decided to leave it behind.
It's
That's
got
cool.
a bunch of mags in there.
1915. 1915?
Yeah.
That's a cool piece. What are you asking for, 200?
Yeah.
That's a cool piece.
All right. Have a good one.
Look at the action figures. This guy usually has some good deals. Alright, I'm gonna be 10 for this. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know, man. There's a bunch of Spider-Man. I think there's a Joker in there. Anytime I see bags of Lego minifigs, I would usually pick them up. What I look for is main characters such as like Marvel, DC, Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, Star Wars. I'll list those figures individually on eBay, and then the rest I'll put in giant lots. Even if they're missing pieces, still put them in giant lots. They do sell well. We should get probably like 30 or 40 bucks for this bag. Just getting set up now?
Yeah, man.
What do you have on those?
Right here?
Right there.
$50 for all of them.
50 bucks.
There's probably 200 or 300 in there. I mean, I didn't count them. I don't know how many are in there.
Yeah. 50 bucks, huh?
Some of them go 3, 4, 5 each online.
Yeah.
You got to group them up.
Yeah. Well, I've sold these before.
just picked them up this weekend.
Yeah. Do 40?
Yeah.
What are you doing with these?
Selling them, man.
No, how much you want for these?
How about another 12?
12 bucks.
There's a bunch of stars. $10 for the dwarves, 50 for them all.
For what?
50 for that and the other.
For all the Starbucks? I mean Starbucks, Star Trek figures.
How
you
much
said?
on those? On the Star Trek figures, 2 each.
2 each of those. All right, so we're at 52.
Just 50 fine.
50 bucks.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah, I do good. I've sold these in the past, so.
No, you should be good.
If you guys don't know, that is a bolo for each and every one of you guys to look out for. If you have kids, grandkids, you guys probably have already had them or thrown them away. They're called Good to Grow. They're the tops to those juice boxes. They have tons of characters like Disney, Star Wars, SpongeBob, Jurassic Park, Hello Kitty. Sell great in lots. You can get like $2-3 a piece for those if you do put them in big lots to sell. Also, too, there's clear ones or silver ones that are highly sought after, and they can go for like $10+ by themselves. So keep an eye out for those if you guys do pick them up. I'm gonna lock these up. I picked up a bag at a yard sale probably about a year ago for like $1, and I made like $100 off that bag by selling these. You guys put them in lots, and parents will buy them for their kids to swap out so they have the characters they want. So keep an eye out. I feel so bad for that vendor at the flea market that got his Xbox hard drive stolen from the Xbox 360. Super nice guy. He always gives me a deal every time I'm there. Always really friendly. So I hate to see when that stuff happens. Unfortunately, it seems like every time I go to the flea market, some type of shady stuff going on one way or another. But it is what it is. It's part of the game. Unfortunately, they weren't able to catch the guy, or they know who actually did it. Don't steal stuff. Don't be a scumbag and steal stuff. If we showed you any type of value, do me a huge favor. Make sure you like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.